as they had thriving businesses, have been adversely affected by poor performance of the economy, which has been worsened by the COVID-19 pandemic. The National Women in Politics platform therefore implores various stakeholders who include political parties, communities, religious and traditional leaders, and the general community members to support women's aspirations for political leadership as members of parliament, mayors, council chairpersons, and councillors in the 12th August 2021 elections. Inclusion of women in the elections as candidates, voters, and election officials is not only a moral imperative, but also a requirement in a democratic state such as ours. We hope that after the 12th August 2021 elections, we will witness an improvement in the representation of women leadership at all levels. As you know, currently we only have 26 female members of parliament, while the remaining 138 are males. The situation is similar at the lower levels of political leadership, with only 2 female mayors out of a total of 17 positions. There are 7 female council chairpersons from a total of 115 positions, and out of a total 1,624 councillor positions in Zambia, only 124 are taken by women. This state of affairs must improve, and the onus is on us, on all of us here to do our part. I therefore wish to thank the members of the press for taking this time to join us today for the press briefing, and I wish to urge you to not only ensure equal coverage of female candidates in the media, but also ensure that you promote women candidates in the run-up to the elections. The attainment of gender equality in leadership and decision-making positions at all levels will benefit all of us. I thank you for your attention, and God bless you all.